Hello and welcome to TechPress, your go-to channel for tech tools and tips. Today, we're going to be diving into the beginner-friendly tutorial on Beat.io, online video editing platform. Whether you are a content creator, marketer, or just starting out with the video editing, Beat.io makes it simple to create professional-looking videos. Let's explore how to use Beat.io into 2024. Now, overview of this video. This is a great online tool that offers a range of video editing features, from basic trimming and cutting to more advanced features like subtitles and filters. It's known for its user-friendly interface, making it ideal for beginners and those looking for a quick and efficient way to edit the videos. Now, setting up your Beat.io account. First things first, let's set up your account. Head over to the Beat.io and sign up for free. You can use your email or your social stuff as you're getting started. In our case, we actually use a Gmail account. Really easy, and automatically it's going to be generating an account. So once you're logged in, you're going to be landing into the dashboard where you can start to video editing your journey. So now let's start a new project. To start a new project, you can click into home section and go for create your project. Now automatically it's going to be generating a new project here. You can either upload a video from your computer or to choose from stock video provided by Beat.io. So Beat.io is supposed to be file formatted, making it convenient to work with different types of video content. Now, amazing thing is that you can get started with some template here. So I can go for templates, and here you can go for the repaste and choose the best. So once your video is uploaded, or once you choose the template you wanted to add, you'll see the editing interface. Here you can trim, cut, and split your video clips using the easy-to-use timeline. It's going to appear down here at your timeline. You can make this a little bit much more wider or smaller. I'm going to focus into something like this, only 10 seconds of it. And now I can choose to fit, of course, like this. And now into the left part, you have the settings, you have media, audio, subtitles, text, elements, and much more. So first of all, let's try to do something really easy. Now the basic edits. For example, let's say that you have your first images added here from Demi Lovato, for example. So I can move it to make this more smaller, to the duration to last a little bit less or more. Since we're going to be using an actual template, we have something like this. Looks great. So now let's say, for example, that I wanted to change it, the title. So I'm going to click in here and I'm going to change the title here for Welcome to the best channel on the YouTube community. Now later on, I choose the image here and I have the magic tools. I can remove silence, I can remove background or green screen. Let's try to choose this option and let's try to change the actual image. So I'm gonna go here for media, and here what you wanted to do is to choose stock videos. So you want to use the drag and drop elements as you are moving on. And then later on, what I can do is to just delete the image. I choose it, and if I wanted to just add an image with the same amount here, with the same proportions here, I can go for replace the image, and I can replace this image for a new image. So choose it, and I generated my first avatar. Of course, I want to try to make it. Adding text and subtitles into the left part should be really easy. Just type into text. You can choose templates and add them automatically. And for example, let's say that I do have this other text and I wanted to move this above it, or just delete it. Then we can use filters and effects. Enhance your video with filters and effects. Video offers a variety of options here into filters, and we can add creative touches to give the video a unique look and feeling. So check out how it's going to be looking at the end of it, and you can add it if you want to, or just leave it like that. Adding music and sound effects into the left part, you can add audio, you can add text to speech, voice over, or add files from a Dropbox. You can make sure to adjust the audio labels once you click in those. You can adjust all of it, provide a library of music and sound effects to choose from. You want to make sure that you have the audio labels balanced, the music with your video original sound. You have the magic tools like translate voice, the clean audio, or remove silence. And lastly, if you check out here your video, you are ready now to export the video first of all. So let's beat.io will process now my video, and then I can download it or show this directly from the actual platform. And that, guys, is how we can get started with the actual edition. A simple yet comprehensive guide to getting started with beat.io in 2023. With practice, I believe that you can do so much more than this. Hit now into download and you're actually good to go, guys. So with that being said, we have now reached to the very end of the video, but don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like the beat.io to generate amazing videos here with the artificial intelligence, with templates, and much more unique spaces to get started in. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can all see you next time.